Starting with the project-specific info from the ARMA summary. Verasity has partnerships with major publishers and a rewarded video player that integrates with platforms like YouTube and Twitch. They mentioned expanding the gaming portal and adding fiat gateways, which could increase adoption. The staking program offers 36.5% APY, which might attract long-term holders. However, the ARMA is from 2020, so I need to check if there's more recent info. The latest news mentions a BNB Smart Chain listing and an upcoming tokenomics update. These could be bullish as cross-chain support improves accessibility, and revised tokenomics might address supply concerns. Looking at the technical analysis, VRA's price is below key moving averages, 200-day SMA at 0.0014617, indicating a bearish trend. However, the RSI is around 45.47, which is neutral, not oversold. MACD shows a slight bullish crossover. The Fibonacci levels suggest resistance around 0.00139333. So technicals are mixed but leaning bearish unless there's a breakout. News articles from August 2025 highlight Veracity's POV tech adoption by College Times and the token burn in 2023 that reduced supply. However, only 10% of tokens are in circulation, which is a red flag for potential dilution. The recent Binance Alpha airdrop and trading competition could drive short-term volume but may not sustain price. There's also mention of insider accumulation and lack of transparency in token distribution, which is a risk. Social sentiment from tweets shows the team is active, launching new features like fiat off-ramps and partnerships in the UAE. The community seems optimistic, especially with the upcoming tokenomics report. However, low social media presence compared to competitors could limit retail interest. Regulatory factors. The UAE partnership might provide a favorable environment, but the delayed airdrop due to legal review suggests regulatory scrutiny. Compliance with advertising standards using their POV tech could be a plus. Putting it all together, key factors are adoption of their ad tech, tokenomics updates, exchange listings, like Binance Alpha, supply dynamics, low circulation, potential unlocks, and regulatory developments.